Welcome to this lesson. Today, we'll explore how to randomly select an element from an array using JavaScript. Random selection is widely used in applications like shuffling a deck of cards, selecting a random winner, or generating test data. Let's see how we can implement this in a simple yet effective way. Let's get started. Random selection is a fundamental concept used in various real-world applications. It plays a key role in gaming, data analysis, AI, and statistics. Whether you're building a card game, a giveaway system, or a randomized algorithm, selecting a random element efficiently is crucial. This function, sample R, returns a random element from an input array. We use Method.random to generate a random number between 0 and 1, multiplied by the array length, and then use math.flow to get a valid index within the array. The selected element is returned as the output. The function follows a step-by-step process to ensure uniform randomness. We first generate a decimal, scale it to the array length, round it down to get a valid index, and return the element at that position. This method ensures that each element has an equal probability of being selected. Let's run some example cases. The function works with numbers, strings, and any data type inside an array. Every time we execute it, we get a different random selection, ensuring variability in the output. This function is widely used in real-world applications, from game development to data sampling in AI. It helps random quiz questions, shuffle playlists, or select winners in giveaway contests. To summarize, we've explored how to select a random element from an array using Method.random and Method.flow. The function is simple, efficient, and widely used in different applications. As the next step, try implementing random shuffling algorithms or building a randomized playlist feature. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.